In this video, I am going to show you how to fix please close interception before starting the game. So this should be a quick and easy process video. The please close interception before starting the game error usually occurs when a game's anti-cheat system detects the interception driver, which is often used for input customization and can be exploited for cheating. To fix this, here is a step-by-step guide. Download interception. Extract the downloaded zip file, then open Command Prompt as administrator, search for CMD, right-click and select Run as administrator. Navigate to the command line installer. In the command prompt, navigate to the command line installer folder. For example, this one, uninstall Interception and restart your computer. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.